Hey folks, my name is Jeff Bangeter. I am a loan originator, and my NMLS number is 18361. And I've been involved in the origination of reverse mortgages actually since 2003, and we've actually done a lot of these. But I wanted to start off and tell you a little bit about my own family, my own kind of situation. My dad, my mom had died quite a number of years ago. She died pretty young at age 59, but my dad lived until he was 90. Well, when he was probably 80 years old, we talked about the reverse mortgage, and we got him a reverse mortgage. We were able to get that for him, and it was kind of interesting because I talked to him a couple years after we did it and just wanted to get a feel for how he felt it had impacted his life. And he actually had mentioned that he had never been without either a mortgage payment or rent payment his entire life, so up to age 80. And this was the first time in his life that he could just sleep comfortable knowing that he didn't have to make any mortgage payments, any house payment of any kind. And it really set his mind at ease, and it freed up money to allow him to travel and really enjoy the last 10 years of his life. So he was able to go all over our beautiful country and really see a lot of things that otherwise he wouldn't have been able to see. And so, I've been involved in just thousands and thousands of reverse mortgages where we've helped people out. But, I've got to say, having my own personal impact with my dad really, of course, is the one that has been the most meaningful to me, to be able to set that up and allow him life and comfort and be able to really do the things that he wanted to do. And we're from a big family. There's 8 kids, and all of us kids talked, and we weren't worried about what we would or wouldn't receive when my dad died. That really, if we got anything, it was great. But we weren't anticipating. We didn't need anything. We're all working and doing our own things, and certainly we don't want to have my dad do without so that we could get something after he died. That was just not in our mindset at all. And so I want you to think about the reverse mortgage from that perspective. What could it do for you, or what could it do for your parents, or someone you know and care about? The reverse mortgage really is a tool. It's a financial tool that allows people over 62 to really enjoy the rest of their life, to have freedom, financial freedom, to be able to do whatever they want with their life. And let's face it, none of us are getting out of here alive, so you have to make the decision. Do you want to continue to stress over making house payments? Do you want to live on less money than what's available every month? Or do you want to live a full life? Do you want to travel? Do you want to take your kids or grandkids somewhere special and create memories that'll last not only for your lifetime but for their lifetime? I think that's what the reverse mortgage is really all about. It's just a unique financial tool. I know there's all kinds of stories and wives' tales and all kinds of things out there that people tell you, and oh my goodness, it's the end of the world. That is all just not so. The federal government controls this program. It's just a mortgage. If you've had a mortgage before, this is just a mortgage, for goodness sakes. And you just don't have to pay it back until you move, sell, or when you die. Your heirs will still inherit your house, but it will have a mortgage on it, and they'll have to decide, do they want to keep the house? If they do, they're going to have to pay off the mortgage. They can get a new regular mortgage, or they can just pay it off with other monies that they have. That's a choice. And if there's so much debt on the house because you've lived a great life that there's no equity left, your family can just walk away. They have no responsibility at all to pay that loan. The house alone stands for the debt. So, again, I just thought it was important that you hear directly from a loan originator who, again, has seen the difference it's made in thousands of people's lives, but has lived it with my own family. And so I want you to know that directly from me. If I can help you, give me a call. Our phone number's on the site here. You can certainly go to our website, Reverse Mortgage, for you, the number 4, the letter U.com. And check us out a little bit. Like I say, I've been doing this since 2003. I've had a lot of loan officers work for me. And I've got 39 years in the financial industry. So a lot of years, a lot of experience, and I will help you make an intelligent, informed decision. There is nothing that will keep hidden from you. You will know absolutely everything about the reverse mortgage and how it works. So with that, thanks for watching.